The Baby Bunny book is so cute. So your kids can kind of teeth on it, destroy it, whatever. It's probably not going to break. Back here is where your finger goes in for the little baby bunny. You want to get his little ears through. There he is. And then it's just a sweet little book about what the baby does. And when it's hungry, it does a little tasty meal. So you kind of nibble, nibble. It's just really cute to read with your kids. When it's thirsty, it laps up some dew. And then it meets a friend, it will thump its feet, thump, thump, thump. And then when it's tired, it will curl up for a little nap. And then when Baby Bunny finds a treat, she shares it with her brothers and sisters. Here you go. And when Baby Bunny is happy, she leaps high into the air. Good job, Baby Bunny. So, super cute little book here. That's our Baby Bunny.